My son left me alone. Once there was an old father named Mr. Adam who lived in a small, quiet town in a simple house near a road where children sometimes played and birds sang every morning. And Mr. Adam loved his home because it was full of memories and warmth, and he had a small garden where he planted flowers, vegetables, and trees. And he took care of them every day with patience and love. And Mr. Adam had one son named Leo, who was his whole world. And when Leo was small, he was cheerful, curious, and kind. And he loved to sit beside his father to listen to stories about the past, about hard work, about kindness, and about hope. And every night before sleep, Mr. Adam read Leo a short story, and Leo always smiled and said, "Good night, Dad, I love you." And those words made Mr. Adam feel strong and happy and safe. And the years passed quietly, and Leo grew taller, smarter, and faster. And he went to school, made friends, learned many things, and started to dream big dreams about the future, about success, about living in a big city with bright lights, tall buildings, and many people. And Mr. Adam listened carefully to his son's dreams and never stopped him because he believed that a parent must support the dreams of a child even when the heart feels heavy. And as Leo grew older, he became busier. He spent more time outside and more time on his phone and less time talking to his father. And sometimes he forgot to eat dinner at home. And sometimes he forgot to say goodnight. And Mr. Adam noticed the change, but he did not complain because he did not want to be a burden. And one day Leo came home with a serious face and said, "Dad, I found a job in the city and I am leaving soon." And Mr. Adam felt his chest tighten. But he smiled and said, "I am proud of you, my son." And that night, Mr. Adam could not sleep because he thought about the empty chair at the table and the quiet house and the silence that would come. And the next morning, Leo packed his bags, and Mr. Adam helped him fold clothes slowly and carefully. And the house felt strange and quiet. And when Leo left, he hugged his father quickly and promised to call. And Mr. Adam stood at the door waving until his son disappeared. And then he went inside and sat alone, and the days passed. And Mr. Adam waited for a call and checked his phone many times and tried to stay busy by cleaning, cooking, and gardening and talking to himself and to the flowers. And weeks passed and then months. And the phone stayed silent, and Mr. Adam started to feel very lonely, especially at night when the house was dark and cold. And one winter, he became sick and stayed in bed. And a kind neighbor, Mrs. Rose, came to help him and asked about Leo, and Mr. Adam answered softly that his son was busy in the city. And Mrs. Rose said children sometimes forget, but love stays, and those words gave Mr. Adam a little hope. And in the city, Leo worked hard every day, rushing from place to place, meeting people, chasing success, and telling himself that he would call his father later. And later became never until one night when Leo sat alone and felt empty and saw an old photo of him and his father smiling in the garden. And suddenly he felt regret and sadness. And the next morning he received a message saying his father was alone and not well. And Leo realized his mistake and rushed back home. And when he saw his father thin and tired, he felt tears and said, "I am sorry, Dad." And Mr. Adam opened his arms and forgave him without anger, because love is stronger than pain. And Leo stayed and helped and listened and learned that success without family means nothing. And they talked, laughed, and healed together, and finally decided to live together again, so no one would ever feel alone again. And they learned that love needs care, attention, and time, and that forgetting hurts, but remembering heals, and that family is the greatest treasure.